Guardian.
Hi.
Oh, fall in line, baby. Let me see.
Ano kasi name mo? Friends?
May. Pasa, magme-medyas. No po. Pwedeng tulungan niyo na po sila magtanggal ng sapatos. Sige.
Teacher, yung uniform po na Ella, andyan na po. Yung uniform niya po, andyan na po.
Nandyan po yung uniform, wala pang print. Dadalhin ko pa po sa nagpe-print.
Okay.
Opo, mag-a-announce din ako sa GC pag ano. Ay, good morning po, ma'am. Yes. O, tanggalin niyo na yung shoes niya, baby. Tanggalin yung shoes mo, bit-bitin, no? At tanggalin.
Lang.
Nami! Say hi! Wait ko, Mami! Mami! Oh, wala nang iiyak! Mamaya, bibigyan ko kayo candy. Yung mabait, yung hindi umiiyak. Bibigyan ni teacher na...
Jenny! Ella! Say hi! Why? Say hi! Say hi! Jen! Say hi, Pepe! Galing po siya sa school. What did you do in school? Huh? Playing and then? You dance and then? You eat also? What did you eat? Huh? Pancake? Okay. Yung baby ko. Kaya pala nanghihingi ng yellow. Kinakaskas pala sa mukha niya.
Yeah, may birding, ma.
What is that?
May bird, mama. Big bird name.
Ah, you bored?
No, may sunbird.
A sunburn? Are you sunburn? That's why Ella asked for yellow. Look, what did she did?
Babasa lang.
Guys, they we dito may text. Oh my God. Hi guys, they may dance sport. Is he? Ay dito mana may name pisila Jenny tubig ay dito.
Dads.